Metro Manila is a big city. Very often Makati and BGC get a lot of attention. But in this video, I'm going to show you the actual Manila city, which is the old town. Let's have a look. We will show you the Rojas Boulevard, the seaside stretches, and of course, Intramuros. And right next to Rojas Boulevard is the man-made beach. It's called as the Dolomite Beach on the Manila Bay. This place offers you one of the better views of Manila Bay. And if an unobstructed sea view is on your mind, there's no better place than Coconut Grove. It's a perfect place for a sundowner on Rojas Boulevard, Manila Bay, and it's got impressive views all around. The same hotel has a very impressive Shanghai style bar called as Ruby Wong. This is just the opening time. I'm sure this place will get busy as the time passes. And this is Plaza Roma in Intramuros. Intramuros used to be the walled city from which the Spanish controlled the Philippines. And this is the famous Manila Cathedral. The cathedral was built in 1581. And this is Plaza de Santa Isabel.
Tuwing ka magtagalog, sir. Ito ka na lumaki.
And in front of me is the San Augustine Church and Museum. And this is the famous Barbara's Heritage Restaurant. Intramuros has an interesting and an old world feel to it. And there are some interesting cafes to choose from. More than the cafes, I like the setting of this place. There are a few coffee shops, and you also get local craft beer. And if you're interested in a eco tour, you can actually go in for this BAM bike tour, which is quite famous. This is a hotel. And this is the Intramuros golf course. And the building that you see at the back, that's Manila Hotel. The famous garden inside Intramuros, Baluarte de San Diego. Yeah, it's a pity it's not a rain here. And it's very windy. But still, the garden stays beautiful. It's very windy here. It's a beautiful vantage point, seeing the skyline of old Manila city. It's about to rain here And if view has a premium, then this is the best seat in the house. Overlooking the Manila skyline and the golf course. And the rains only got heavier and we had to come to Manila Hotel, which is not a bad thing actually. Manila Hotel is about 100-year-old hotel. If you're looking for a pub vibe with the old world Manila elegance, this is the place. This is tap room in Manila Hotel. I'm at a place called as Malate. I'm on the Adriatico Street. This used to be the buzzing nightlife center of the 70s and the 80s. Now this is called as the Korea town. I'll have my dinner here. That's it from Old Manila. If you like my content, please leave a like, subscribe, and watch my old videos. Thanks for watching.